StationaryCo is a dynamic office supplies company in Indonesia that has been helping corporate, government, education, small and medium enterprises for over 7 years. We provide a comprehensive range of office supplies, including stationery, computer supplies, and office supplies, StationaryCo, to companies in Indonesia. Our goal at StationaryCo is to make your life easy. That's why we offer complete workplace solutions to manage each and every input your organization needs. We are committed to offer solutions and ideas to make offices a well-organized place, so customers can concentrate on important stuff, like their work. Whether you're looking for office products, technology solutions, furniture, office equipment, catering or cleaning supplies, or print management and promotional products, you can be assured that our staff will guide you with understanding, integrity and transparency to the best competitively priced solutions. We believe people are just as important as our products. So whether you work in a small or large office or any kind of workspace, we can help. With guaranteed low prices, convenient online ordering and desk-to-door delivery, StationaryCo is the smarter solution to office supply needs.